Hi guys, it's your girl Nikki again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to show you how I did this braid. Not necessarily a tutorial, but I was under the weather and I decided that I wanted to have a new look to feel a little better. So hence I'm with this hairstyle. So check it out and let me know if you like it by commenting below. Subscribe, share, comment, and turn on that notification bell. So watch the video and enjoy. Thank you. So I'm now parting this section, the back, from side to side, and I'm going to part this into 3 subsections. Use the Shine and Jam gel to secure the root so you can get it neat and tight. Plait it, because we're going to put 3 pieces of braid into the plait. And we're going to do this to the entire head of hair. So watch and you will see. So guys, while I was plaiting this, I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair, and then I used the Shine and Jam on the root just for moisture and to secure the braids neatly. Then I used 4 packs of this number 2 Xpression, sorry, not number 2, number 22 Xpression braid, 4 packs. Then for 1 plait or 1 braid, you're going to use 3 pieces of equal braiding hair. So this is how I did it. This is 1, 2, 3 pieces. So this is 1 plait. Then I'm going to put through the needle, the crochet needle, use 1 piece of the braid to put into the lock. Then I'm going to close it and pull it through the plait, the middle of the plait. I'm going to do this for the 3 pieces of braid. And for the entire plait, you're going to do this process. Just watch and see. So I put it into the needle, pull it, then I hold on to the middle, try to pull through 1/2 of the hair. So when it comes through, then you will have 2 strands. So look, I don't know if I'm explaining this for you to understand, but watch and see, please. After that, I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2 pieces of hair. So remember, it's 3 pieces of hair you need to make 1 braid or 1 plait. And we do this because it's a knotless braid, and this is the result we're looking for, or I am looking for. So carefully put the hair on the needle and pull it through, hold the middle, then pull one end of the hair through the plait, pull it down to the middle and to be even at the ends. Yes. So we're going to use this braid my hair and put it into 3 sections so we can plait. Also, I've applied some of the Shine and Jam to the ends so that it doesn't show, the ends doesn't show when we're plaiting it. So just watch and see. So what I'm doing here, I'm just swapping the strands from the left cross over to the right, from the left cross over to the right. I don't know if I'm explaining this properly, so just watch and see. Trust me, some of the times the braids can be gangster on you, meaning that if you're not careful, they can knot, and that can be a bit of a struggle. So some of the time, really, them braids just get gangster, you know. So this is my first plait. So you can see I'm just swapping the right strand, put it into the middle, bring over the left one into the middle. So it's just basically taking one from the left, bring it to the middle, then cross over the right into the middle to create this plait or this braid. So we're gonna do that process to the entire head of hair, and then we will get our knotless braid. I keep saying we, but you know what I mean, right? I'm speaking for me, and I guess my audience, my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, for your support. And if you're new, welcome to the family. Please subscribe, share, comments, and turn on your notification bell so you can see my other videos when I upload them. I appreciate you all so much. So this is the second one that I'm about to do. Same process, just speed it up a little bit. So watch you guys and enjoy the video. I'll be back with you shortly. So yes guys, as I said, this was my first attempt of doing knotless braid or box braid, and being that I couldn't see the back of my head when I was parting my hair, it was really a bit of a struggle for me. So the parts aren't that perfect, but I can work with it. If I was doing somebody else's hair, I would have done better, but I'm okay with this. I'm satisfied. I'm just gonna wear it for like 2 weeks or so. Right, so continue to watch. Thank you. So guys, the hair ran out on me, so maybe if you have a big head as mine, maybe you would need 4-pack and just a little bit. I see where I could, instead of put 6 plaits at the top, I could have used 8, but guess what, my braid, it was finished. My braiding hair was finished, so I had to do it like that. So if you're gonna follow this, maybe you could buy 5 packs, or probably you could use the braid less than me, so it will do your entire head of hair. So yeah, continue to watch. So this part is where I'm putting the hair into boiled water. This is very hot, so I have to be very careful here. So I did that to get the hair straight and to help the flyaways go away. Now I'm oiling my hair with some hair growth oil to get the scalp moist. Then I use some Marie's Edgewax to neat up the front, and this is some mousse I'm applying to help the flyaways go also and to get some sheen. I couldn't wait to finish this hair. I was so tired. It was like after 4 in the morning, guys, so you can imagine. So yes, this is it. What do you think of it? I am satisfied with it. Do you like it? Oh, so this is the next, this was the next day. Day 2. I think it's cute. What do you think? So I am really enjoying this hair. I'm really rocking it. Yes guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe now, like, share, comment, and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming video. I don't have any pillow tips for you today, but remember just to have faith in the Lord, and God loves you, and I love and appreciate you. So see you next time in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.